Meet the Tineco GO PET vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion for pet homes and busy families. This cordless, smart stick vacuum features a ZeroTangle Brush Head that effectively removes 99% of hair wrap. Say goodbye to tangled brushes and hello to hassle-free cleaning. The GO PET is equipped with iLoop Smart Sense technology. It automatically adjusts suction power and brush speed based on detected messes. This smart feature optimizes battery life for up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning, perfect for all surfaces. The sensor indicator tells you when your floors are clean enough to move on, making it efficient on both carpet and hardwood. Need more versatility? The GO PET easily transforms into a hand vac. With the included crevice tool, tackle small spaces like between car seats or couch cushions. And for those hard to reach spots, the 2-in-1 dusting brush is perfect for stairs or the floors of your car. Now, emptying the GO PET is a breeze. Just pull this lever. To maintain strong suction, we recommend removing, washing, and drying your 3 filters every 6 months. Run them all under warm water and then let them dry for 24 hours. Don't reinstall them until the filters are dry. If you have any questions, visit our website for customer support.